Beaches. Craig Douglas here, e-commerce manager with WD-40 Company, and I've always wanted to learn how to play Fire and Rain by James Taylor. Classic song. It's like the WD-40 of songs. Everyone knows it and everyone loves it. A while back I went up on eBay and found this sweet guitar here, and I bought that. Free shipping. It's a great deal. Over there you can't see it, but there's a giant Fender amp, and got that on Craigslist. So I had my tools and I just needed someone to, like James Taylor, to come here and teach me how to play the song. What's really cool is James Taylor has a website and he has guitar lessons. He teaches you how to play. So I started practicing. So hard.
That's what she said.
Michael, please.
I don't know if I'm gonna ever get this. I think I'm getting closer though. So, after many hours of practice, I finally did learn how to play the song. I don't have time. I only have 2 minutes, so I can't play the whole thing, but I'll play the start for you. Have a good rest of the meeting, everybody.